And ladies and gentlemen, this is our main event of the evening. Este es nuestro combate estelar de esta noche. Presentado a ustedes por Boristeca Boxing Promotions en asociación con BIB, the best in boxing. 8 rounds of boxing in the super featherweight division. 8 rounds de combate en la categoría de peso super pluma. Your 3 judges scoring in ringside. Sus 3 jueces, Carlos Flores, Sergio Lechuga y el internacional Benjamín Rendón. And your third man inside the ring to watch the actions, Fernando Renteria. Introducing to you first, the fighter standing in the blue corner wearing blue trunks with gray trim. His official weight, 129 pounds. Presentando ustedes en la esquina azul, vistiendo calzoncillo color azul con gris, con un peso de 58 kilos, 500 gramos. He stands with 14 professional bouts, 14 combates profesionales de Tijuana, Baja California. Edgar Daniel Ahumada. And his opponent across the ring, standing in the red corner wearing red trunks with white trim. His official weight, 130.2 pounds. Y su rival en la esquina roja, vistiendo calzoncillo rojo con blanco, con 59 kilos, 100 gramos de peso. Professionally, he stands unblemished with 9 victories, no losses, and 7 of those victories coming by the way of knockout. Presenta un récord perfecto de 9 victorias, 0 derrotas y 7 de esas victorias por la vía del knockout. Representando a Vacaville, California, Estados Unidos y también a las Filipinas, Mangahinang, Etkinoo, Adam Fiel. Y aquí está para las instrucciones finales, Fernando Renteria.
Vamos a hacer una pelea limpia, ¿ok? Vamos a tener cuidado con los cabezazos, no rabispón, no golpes en la espalda ni abajo del cinturón, ¿ok? Vamos a chocar los guantes, suerte jóvenes, cuídense, hagan el mejor.
Box him, Adam. Stay in the center, Adam. Take your time. Toes, Adam. Think my foot, Adam. Not yet.
Y terminando de aquí, nos vamos a ir todos al Cheers Bar and Grill en la zona del río. Es el after party oficial de Boristeca Boxing.
Box him, Adam. Back out to the center, Adam. Gotta push his head down, Adam. He's gonna try to use it. Lock it down. Hold it down, hold it down. Yeah, step around. Get out there, use your legs. Move. Don't stand there. Stop, work your job. Spear. All right, step around. Your legs, Adam. Yeah, Adam. There we go, just like that. Step around. Pop the floor. Hands up. Hands high, check. There.
People just don't know what we go through. All the time away from family, hours of road work, fighting through the pain of training. We don't complain. You know, people just don't understand how tough this life is. People ask me then, why do it? Simple. I want to be the best in boxing. Global Sports Training, the future of sports programming.
Right out the gate. Boxing, Adam. Use your legs. Up the jab. Like that. Back in. Up the jab. Use your legs. You gotta push his head down. You're lazy. You're in good shape. There. Now move. Now move. Hands high. Check high. Check high. Use your legs, Adam. You're in good shape. There you go. Round 3. Hey, with the jab, Adam. Hands up. Jab, jab. Get out of there, Adam. Use your jab. That's like that. Turn up. Keep up your jab. Step around. Pop it. There. Take a walk. Take a walk. Adam, keep using your jab, Adam. It'll come. Just jab, Adam. Not yet, Adam.
Bien cubierto, hermano. Cuando se meta, mueve el pinche cintura para que no te agarre.
Limpio, limpio. Break. Break.
Stand down, use your leg. Come on! Watch his head, Adam. He's using it, Adam.
Hands high, check high. De primero, piernas. De primero.
Box him, Adam. Box him.
Ya entró, ya empezó.
Gotta get out of this round, Adam. We talked about this. Jab, jab.
Break.
Keep your hands up.
Eso, otra vez. Recto.
Hands up. Pump that
Mueve la
jab.
cintura cuando entre. Primero, piernas. Primero. La flecha no le mirado.
Break.
La flecha no le
Break.
mirado. La flecha no le mirado. Mueve la cintura cuando entre.
Hands up, Adam. Don't reach. Don't get sloppy. Hands up.
Trabaja.
Use your legs.
Break.
Hey, whoa.
Derecha.
Watch that, Adam.
Hands up. Pump the jab. Mueve la cintura. Trabaja. No te metas sin tirar golpe.
Pump the jab. Pump it. Come on, Adam. Use your legs. Hands high. Jab, jab.
Trabaje. Puedes hacer doble derecha. Derecha.
Hands up, Adam.
10 segundos.
Eso. Sigue trabajando.
Limpio.
Trabajando.
Tiempo.
People just don't know what we go through. All the time away from family, hours of road work, fighting through the pain of training. We don't complain. You know, people just don't understand how tough this life is. People ask me then, why do it? Simple. I want to be the best in boxing. Global Sports Training, the future of sports programming.
Cuando entres, mueve la cintura. No entres tan parado. Muévete.
Break.
Jab, jab, set it up.
Double the jab. No te veo, mueve la cintura cuando entres. Mueve la cintura cuando entres.
Good time.
Straight in it.
Hey, behind the head.
Set up what he can't see, Adam. He's turning right into it. Mueve la cintura.
Stay low.
Hay que tirarlo, no te quitas un golpe. Eso.
Pump the jab.
Hay que trabajar.
Come on, Adam. Don't pull that
Está
shot.
moviendo.
Pump
No hay que pegar el ritmo. No hay que pegar el ritmo. No te avientes.
Take your time.
Take your
Time. Turn them.
Turn that right hand over. Turn the knuckles over, Adam. Mueve la cintura cuando entre. Mueve la cintura.
Pump that jab. Pump the jab.
Esa nuca, esa nuca.
Step back. There it is, Adam.
Eso. Abajo y arriba. Abajo y arriba.
So wide. Box him. Turn his ass.
Pump that jab. Eso. Abajo, abajo y arriba.
Look at him. Either roll inside. Don't look at the head now. Roll inside.
Ese primero, pierna. Derecha.
Pump the jab. Nah, you gotta keep your defense high, Adam. Legs right. Step in. 4. Watch Watch him inside. Spear two. Spear two. There. Watch his foot. Turn him, Adam. Don't step.
Buena cintura, Palmero. Buena cintura.
Step around. Turn it. Gotta keep turning him, Adam. Turn it.
Open. Trabaja, Pena. Trabaja.
Force his head down.
Cuando me lo abrace.
Pop the jab.
Buena cintura con él.
Way too long.
Dejando que no espere. No hay chance que agarre el ritmo.
Pop that jab.
30 segundos.
Muévete, 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 Palmero.
Limpio.
There. Step around. Hands
10
up.
segundos.
10 seconds.
Ya.
Keep it.
A ver, ya. Una vez y ya.
Tiempo.
Baja la cabeza, por favor.
Sit, Adam.
¿Qué pasa, amigo? ¿Qué pasa?
Ahorita también después de aquí, de las peleas, nos vamos todos al Cheers Bar and Grill a seguir festejando con los peleadores estelaristas de esta noche. Muchísimas gracias. Queremos agradecer a Agua Purificada Fonti y precisamente a la casa oficial de Boristeca Boxing, a Cheers Bar and Grill, patrocinadores oficiales.
Fuera
El
seco.
banco, el banco.
Let's finish this shit. Set up when he can't see when you want. Let him walk right into it off the jab. Get your second win. You're in good shape.
Stop.
Push his head
Stop.
down, Adam.
Mira, no gastes demasiado la cabeza porque estoy pegando la cabeza. No pegue la nuca.
Pop that jab. Gotta stay busy, Adam.
Eso, tranquilito. Ahora lo suyo.
Limpio. Break.
With his head.
Eso. Trabaja,
There it is. Pop him. On three. On three. Set on three, Adam. There it is. Pop the jab. Right back to that damn jab. We're on our own in there, Adam. Pop the jab. Take a half a step back.
Break.
Turn him.
Break.
Take a step back. Stop right up again, Adam. Let's go.
la pegada. Buena cintura con él.
Pop. Yeah, step around. Yeah, step around now. Don't sit in there. Pop. Jab, Adam. Yeah, step around. Walk him into it. Walk him into it.
Trabajar pierna. Trabajar. Recta.
Jab, jab. Spear two. There it is. Spear two.
Movimiento, cortando movimiento. No te dejes.
There. DP. Let me see it.
Que tira golpes. Tienes que tirar golpes adentro.
There, step. There, take a step around. On three. On three. Where's the uppercut, Adam? There we go. Drop the jab. Jab. Step. Reach. Don't reach. There. Spear. For the uppercut, Adam.
Eso.
Limpio.
Watch his head. Spear two.
Pierna.
You're in their loners there, so that's it with you, baby. Watch yourself.
Dame tiempo para sacar la esquina. Vamos a sacar acá. Hay que sacar la esquina.
Slow your shots down. Now we start watching balls through.
¡Oh!
Keep your hands up, Adam. Legs right. Contain yourself at all times. Stay in there. Stay in there. Slow your shots down. Slow down, Adam. Turn them! Don't move in straight lines! Step on that jab. There. DP. Slow down, DP, right there. Set your shots and turn. DP, I say, Adam. Give him a fake. Give him a fake. Then run into the DP. Watch his head. Grab it, Adam. Hands up. Pop the jab. Pop it. Hands up. Get your legs right. Get your legs north. Don't start lunging in, Adam. Hands up.
Break.
Hands high, Adam. Take your time. Adam, what's up? Hands high. Take your time. Relax. Adam, working too hard. Stop pushing in. Stop trying to force the shots, Adam. Take your time. There. Relax. Step around. Rocks, Adam. Do what you do.
Stop. Voy. Stop.
Come on, man.
Limpio.
Come on, Adam.
Box.
Don't get angry. I'm keeping your box. Rocks, jab, right hand. Off the jab, Adam. Off the jab, Adam. Come on. Double that jab. It's work, Adam. Come on, baby. What's up? Step around. 10 seconds. Move around. Watch.
Break. 10 segundos.
10 seconds.
¡Tiempo!
Cheers Bar and Grill y Fonti Agua Purificada presentan el round número 8. El último round. This is round number 8, your final round.
Jab first. Throw that uppercut at him. Uppercut. You hurt him with it. Throw the uppercut at him. Don't reach. Look for the uppercut at him. Uppercut. Break for it. Underneath the right elbow. For the uppercut. Hands up. Blast him, Adam. Set it up. Break, break. Hands up, Adam. Step around. On the jab. On the jab. Tired, Adam. Let's see it. Come on. Keep yourself together. Come on, Adam. Straight right. Straight right. 1, 2, left up. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Straight right, Adam. Straight right, Adam. Go.
Damas y caballeros, después de 8 rounds de combate, nos vamos a la decisión de los jueces. After 8 rounds of boxing, we go to the judges' scorecards. Juez, Judge Sergio Lechuga scores it 79-72, 79-72. Benjamín Rendón y Carlos Flores coinciden en tarjetas 78-73. They turn in identical scorecards of 78-73. For your winner by the way of unanimous decision, su ganador por la vía de la decisión unánime, Adam Fiel.
Adam, that was a weird fight.
Yeah, it was very unorthodox way he was coming in. You know, it was a big learning lesson. He was coming in with his head a lot. So I learned a lot from this fight. Yeah, it wasn't as good of a fight as I expected.
You've made it before, right? Another no contest. So that was one of the other no contests of your career. What happened in the other one?
Exactly. Well, he came in. He had a cut after the first round, and the referee stopped it in the second. He came in with his head a lot. I needed to adjust. Really had to learn a lot from this fight. It's a big learning lesson for me.
You said that you have been working on your power. You had him down. I thought you might be able to finish him. What happened there? Did he just get away from you?
Yeah, I did. I started to feel real sloppy. A lot of it was on me, the way he was coming in. I needed to adjust and change the way I was fighting, but I didn't. I have room for improvement on this fight. But, I did my best, and I got the W.
It seemed that somehow he got you involved in his fight, so that took you totally away from your style, in which there was no style. It was just, I'm gonna beat you any way I can.
Yeah, it was, man. I had to do whatever I had to do to win. Like I said, I need to go back to the drawing board, and adjust to the way he was fighting. He was coming with his head a lot. I wasn't used to the way he was coming in. So it was a big learning lesson for me. I did the best I could and came away with the W.
Will we see you back here soon?
I hope so. I hope so next year, man. Hopefully we'll get ready for a title fight soon. This is 10-0. Thank you, Mexico, for always welcoming me here. It's always a good crowd, man. Awesome.
Okay, well, congratulations. I hope to see you back.
Thank you, everyone, for coming out. Stay tuned, Adam Fiel. Thank you.
Back to ringside.